Well, hi and welcome. In this video we're going to be taking a look at organising your presets. Now I use presets, I use a lot of them, and sometimes your presets panel can get a little bit disorganised. So in this little trick and tip I'm going to show you how to organise them and use folders. So let's get straight on with that task. My name's Ken Fisher and this is Live Link Training. Okay, here we are in the develop module, and I've got a nice picture of a hooty owl. Now if we have a look in my presets panel here, I'll just open it up, you can see I've got loads of them, and they are all organised into folders. Well, most of them are. So let's create a new preset just to see how this works, how you can organise things. So let's have a look at this. We'll say, well, let's make it black and white. We'll try a black and white preset and we'll just make it a little bit different. Let's pull the highlights down, let's pull the shadows up a little bit and add a little bit of clarity, and probably, yeah, just lift the blacks a little bit. Okay, so I think, well, I might want to use this over and over again, so I'm going to create a preset. So I'll click on the create new preset button and I'll call it, well, what should we call it? Ken's BW1, Ken's black and white one, and we'll click create. And here you can see it's put it in my film noir folder, which is not really where I wanted to go put it. So what I can do is I'll just click up at the top here and then I'll right click and I'll select new folder. And I'll call this, let's call it Ken's black and white, and I'll click create. And now I've got a folder here that you can see called Ken's black and white, but there's nothing in it. So it's a just simple case of dragging and dropping. So I find my Ken's black and white 1 preset, which I've just made, and it's in the wrong place, and I just click and drag it and I drop it into my Ken's black and white folder, and there it is. And you can drag and drop any preset and drag it into any folder. So quick recap, if you want to create a new folder, it's right click, new folder, and then any of the presets that you've made, you can click and drag them and drop them into that new folder, and then you can close it up. And it does keep things a little bit tidier for you in your presets panel if you use a lot of presets. Well, that's it. I do hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment under the video. And if you get a minute, please help me by subscribing. Click that subscribe button at the end and help me grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.